Hey everyone, it's Angela Allen from the Handmade Homestead. Let me show you how easy and economical it is to make your own vanilla extract. All you need are whole vanilla beans and some kind of alcohol liquid. Most people use vodka. I use bourbon because I prefer the caramel tones of bourbon in my extract, but you can use whichever you prefer. Buy A or top quality or number one quality vanilla beans, whole beans. You're going to put them on a cutting board and split them down the middle so that you're exposing the seeds and the inside has kind of a vanilla bean paste and oil to it. And you want that in your extract. So don't wash the beans, just split them and put them right into a bottle with a tight fitting lid. Then fill your bottle with your choice of alcohol. Again, I use bourbon. You can use plain old vodka, whatever you prefer. It doesn't have to be an expensive brand. It's going to take about a year for that to be usable vanilla extract. In my case, I refill it perpetually. I put beans in every year, and I've always got vanilla extract ready to use. Shake the bottle before you use it, and you're good to go. I also make orange extract the same way. I use the orange peels, steep them in bourbon, again for about a year. I refill it perpetually as I need to, and I'm never out. It's delicious, it's inexpensive, it keeps forever, it makes great gifts. You've got to try this.